gotta do it.
What does it do? I don't know.
You're connecting with the spirits, babe.
Yeah. Coffee and incense.
This is fucking sick. How many coins? Looks like 10-cent pieces.
Here, I'll put one in.
No, I gotta throw one in. I got 10. More memories. Come on, let's walk up there a bit. Did you bow? Dude, this is ridiculously fucking sick. Let's go roam the lounge a little bit more.
Baby's first tumble.
And then, oh, this is exactly what I fucking wanted. Oh, look at this fucking view. Oh. Yeah. All right, that was worth taking to it. What's the big one, you think? What is that? Yeah, let's wander around just a tidbit more. And then I'm gonna put this way. I'm gonna break out a real camera and we're coming back up here. Oh my god, this is like a theme park. This is fucking sick, babe.
I think this is the one that like got
Oh, let's go check out the giant Buddha.
so somewhere around here, if I'm right, there should be like the original like all I have is 250.
Babe, I got you. I got a souvenir.
Okay, I'm so
Yeah. How'd you shake yours? You shake it up? Which way did you shake it?
Huh?
How did you shake it? Which way?
Take it down. Here.
Am I an idiot? Thanks, babe. Oh, which way does it go? Oh, okay.
I think this way. I just can't find the one that matches. It feels stupid. Oh, got it.
And I got mine. What do we do with the stick?
You put it back. Bad fortune! If you try to avoid danger, you will suffer from difficulties. Misfortunes come continuously, and members of your family will have to leave. When you feel sorry for flowers fall, it begins to rain again onto them. Since everything doesn't go as well as you expected, you'll come to think of something bad while drinking. But your wishes will not be realized. A sick person will not recover. The lost article will not be found. The person you are waiting for will not come. Building a new house and removal are not good. Making a trip is bad. Marriage and employment are both bad. Wow!
Wow. Alright, so we gotta figure out where to tie that off, right? Okay, so hang on. Here's mine. Here we go. Regular fortune. In your dream, you met a married gentleman superior to thousands, 10,000 people. Now get good fortune and wonder why it was so unhappy until now. The fortune came to you like flowers smell so sweet on warm days in spring. It is a happy looking that should be celebrated. The decayed branch got flowers open again. Ah, any request will be granted to you. The patient get well soon. A lost article will be found. The person you wait for appears. Build a new house and removal are both well. You can start a trip. Marriage of any kind, new employment are both well.
Wow, so you literally just got the inverse of mine.
I did. Shit's popping over here. Can't have bad fortune. Fortune brought to you, babe. How fucking sick.
Let's check out